Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to set a timer on your Google Slides presentation. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Google Slides website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can go ahead and create a presentation. As you can see here guys, I have already created a presentation and here I have some slides with some text on them. I have text right here. Here I have a table and so on. So guys, let's say that I want to present this presentation and I want to set a timer so that the slides will go automatically and I do not have to click every time I want to change the slide. Well, how do you do it guys? Well, it's very easy and I'll be showing you right now how to do it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go right here into the upper right corner where you can see this slideshow option. You can either start in presenter view if you want or another screen, but I'm going to just be using the normal slideshow option for now. So as you can see here guys, after clicking on it, now you can see that after I click on the slideshow, you can see that then it goes to the other slide and it starts the animations and so on. I have to click every time I want to change the slide. So guys, I will be showing you how to set a timer so this happens automatically. You want to go ahead and start the slideshow again. And before continuing the presentation, you want to go right here into the lower bottom corner and you want to click these three dots right here. Clicking these three dots, guys, this will open up this new menu where you can have multiple options to use for editing your presentation. We're going to find this option right here called audio play and find which option we like the most. Let's say we want to change the slide every 5 seconds. We're going to go ahead and click on every 5 seconds, guys, set the timer to 5 seconds and then go ahead and click on play. And as you can see here guys, now I will not be clicking, but the presentation will go on by itself and it will change every 5 seconds as if I have clicked on the presentation. So yeah guys, that's how you do it basically. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.